Hello, I'm Masaru. This time, I will introduce chilled ramen noodles. As we enter July, there are more days in Japan where the temperature exceeds 95 degrees Fahrenheit. On days like that, I want to eat chilled ramen noodles. Chilled ramen noodles is a dish that originated in Japan where boiled Chinese noodles are chilled and served with cold broth. Since summer in Japan is extremely hot, chilled ramen noodles is the most soothing dish to eat during this time of the year. It is very easy to make with ingredients you have at home, so please watch the video until the end. If you enjoyed this video, please click the like button and subscribe to the channel. Ingredients and quantity details are given in the summary section. Okay, so let's get started with the cooking. First, make the chilled broth. Mix soy sauce, sugar, chicken broth mix, vinegar, and sesame oil in a bowl. And add water to it. It is convenient to use pre-chilled water. Mix well again. Chill this well in the refrigerator. Meanwhile, start preparing the ingredients. First of all, prepare the egg. Add a pinch of salt to the eggs and mix well. If there is any white left in the mixture, it will not be beautifully done, so mix thoroughly. Heat oil in a frying pan. When the pan is warm, add the eggs. Spread the eggs and cook over low heat so that they do not burn. The egg will cook quickly, so you can turn off the heat. When the surface of the eggs is dry, remove them. Leave it for a while until it cools down. Slice the cucumber diagonally, then cut into thin strips. Cut the ham in half and cut into thin strips. If you cut the ingredients into thin pieces, they will stick better to the noodles and look more beautiful. Cut the crabfish cakes in the same way. Remove the stems from the tomatoes and slice it. Once the egg have cooled down, it's time to cut it. Cut into pieces about the same length as the other ingredients to achieve a good balance. Now, the preparation of the ingredients is complete. Boil Chinese noodles according to the time written on the package. Boil the noodles while loosening them so they don't stick together. After thoroughly draining the noodles, cool them under running water and remove the slime from the noodles. Once the slime is removed from the noodles, soak them in ice water. The difference between ramen noodles and chilled ramen noodles are: chilled ramen noodles have a firm texture because they are rinsed in cold water right after they are boiled. Ramen noodles, on the other hand, are not rinsed but served hot immediately. Chill the noodles until they are so cold that your hands hurt. Squeeze the noodles well to remove moisture. Arrange the noodles on a plate and pour over the chilled ramen sauce. Arrange the ingredients on top of the noodles. This is your preference, but adding pickled ginger at the end is more authentic. Perfect for the hot summer, the refreshing Japanese-style chilled ramen is ready. Now let's eat.